Neat, huh?
Nice. I had no police cars look like that, man.
I used to have a car like this when I was like 16 years old. Mach 1. Gosh, remember those days? Here's a GT. Remember those? Hi there, babies. How are you? You're beautiful.
Thanks.
These doggies were beautiful. Yep. Used to have one like this too. Ford Mustang. My friend and I. Matt used to cruise around in this car. With the engine in that thing. I remember this car. Oh, what fun we had. Remember that? You bet, seeing this video, you remember. Yeah, hot out of here. So nice, both Mustangs. Okay, here we go. Daytona Beach, Main Street, eve of the 4th of July Festival, better known as the Barbecue Festival, and it's getting pretty packed. This is our favorite place here where they make all natural carrot juice, and we love it. Every kind of juice, we should say. But since I have my own juice, NutriBlast now, I don't do that anymore because there's no sense. Usually. Okay. I'm informed that my mom, Nellie's running out of pictures, so going back to her. Cafe Heavenly from New Smyrna Beach. Okay, we're signing off now. Bye-bye. Happy 4th.